Most people think that if they have antivirus on their computer, they are safe from hackers. Here's the truth. You are never 100% safe from hackers. And with antivirus alone, you are a sitting duck. The first line of defense is being cautious about clicking and opening emails. Be extremely cautious. Don't click on links that look odd, and don't open attachments, Word, Excel, PDF, zips that you're not expecting. Second, upgrade to an advanced security solution that doesn't just scan files, but actively monitors for strange behavior on your network and allows certain trusted programs to run. Also, with everyone working at home, you will want an advanced firewall right there on your computer. Gone are the days when everyone is behind a corporate firewall. Have questions about cybersecurity or some other IT-related issues? Book a quick 10-minute call.